The Xerox Adaptive CMYK Plus Kit is an innovative accessory kit that lets you swap out standard CMYK toner with high-value specialty toners in minutes. With 11 available toner colors, you can create a million possibilities. In this video, we will be showing you how to use the FreeFlow Core Accelerator to convert a CMYK file to either gold, silver, or white spot color in just a few clicks. With the optional Xerox FreeFlow Core Accelerator, it's easy for print providers to take full advantage of the new adaptive CMYK Plus Kit's capabilities on day one. No designer? No problem. FreeFlow Core's accelerator for the adaptive CMYK Plus Kit is available on Xerox.com. You'll find it on the product page for the Xerox Versant 180 press or the PrimeLink color printer. Once installed, the preset workflows automate the process of incorporating metallic gold, silver, or white into your designs using the Vivid kit, or enhancing fluorescent designs by automatically changing rich black to pure black for added pop. With the FreeFlow Core Accelerator, you can start upselling customers without the need for an in-house or third-party designer. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Here's a CMYK menu card that we're going to enhance using a preset workflow. We'll convert all the text to gold for a menu that sparkles and shines. Once the accelerator is installed, you'll find a series of hot folders on your desktop, one for each of the automated workflows available with the accelerator. All you have to do is save, copy and paste, or drag the file you want to convert into the appropriate folder. In this case, the Menu to Gold folder. That's it. Your work is done. Open the file and you'll find your text converted to gold, and even imposed N up on your selected paper size. That's all there is to it. There are a total of 6 workflows included: Menu to gold, silver, or white, Business card to gold, silver, or white, Postcard to gold, silver, or white, Document to gold, silver, or white, My Spot color to gold, silver, or white, Rich black to pure K. With them, you can add value to just about any application type just by dragging and dropping or copying and pasting a file. No designer? No problem with the Xerox Adaptive CMYK Plus Kit and the FreeFlow Core Accelerator Pack. Find more how-to videos online at xerox.com/creative.